Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you a tool that will revolutionize the way you send emails to your customers. The Picky Assist No-Code Email Builder. Imagine a tool that empowers anyone, whether you're a marketer, a small business owner, or just someone who wants to send beautiful emails without writing a single line of code. With our email builder, you can create stunning, professional emails in minutes, not hours. Let's talk about the possibilities. Picture this. You're a small business owner wanting to announce a new product or special offers to your customers. With our email builder, you can effortlessly design a vibrant, eye-catching newsletter that reflects your brand's identity. Drag and drop images, adjust text, and customize layouts, all without needing a degree in design. Or perhaps you're running a subscription-based service and want to remind your customers about payment due dates, send invoices once they've completed a payment, or launch targeted email campaigns as part of your lead nurturing strategy. With our no-code email builder, you'll have everything you need to engage, inspire, and connect with your audience like never before. And the best part is, you can send these email templates in your connected SMTP or Amazon, or send grid channels from all the automations tools Picky Assist provides. Let's start by creating a new email template. First, navigate to the email builder by selecting it from the More Menus option. On the left side, you can see all your created templates. You can easily search and sort through these templates and preview or duplicate any of them by clicking the respective icons. Now let's understand how to create a new template. Click on Create New Template. You have the option to either start from scratch with a blank canvas or select a pre-built template to customize according to your needs. We've created some fantastic templates that could be useful for most cases. If you find one that fits your requirements, just click on it and make your adjustments. In this case, I'm going to create an email template from scratch. My goal is to summarize each employee's daily activities. How many calls they made, how many leads they converted, leads received from different campaigns, and the tasks completed by each user. I want this email to be sent out every day at 6 p.m. to the respective managers. So let's dive in and start building this email template from the ground up. Before we start building our email templates, let's quickly cover some basic styling concepts that will help you create visually appealing emails, no tech skills needed. Padding. This refers to the space inside a block, between the content and its border. Think of it as the cushion around your text. For instance, if you have a button, adding padding ensures that the text inside the button doesn't feel cramped. Border. A border is a line that surrounds your content. It can be solid, dotted, or dashed. For example, you might use a border around a button to give it a distinct look and help it stand out. Border radius. This feature allows you to round the corners of your blocks. Rounded corners can make buttons and boxes look softer and more inviting, which can enhance the overall feel of your email. Line space and line height. Line spacing controls the distance between lines of text. For example, in a paragraph, increasing line spacing can make it easier to read. Line height affects the overall height of each line, ensuring that your text is comfortable to read without being too cramped. Alignment. This determines how your text is positioned within a block. You can align text to the left, center, or right. For instance, centering the text in a heading can create a more balanced look. Background color. Adding a background color to sections of your email can make them pop. For example, you might use a light color behind a call to action button to draw attention to it. With these styling basics in mind, you're ready to create beautiful email templates that engage your audience. Let's get started. The email builder is organized into 3 distinct columns for an efficient design experience. In the left column, you'll see all the available blocks and layouts that you can use to create your templates. This includes a variety of options like text blocks, images, and buttons, allowing you to customize your email as needed. The center column serves as your main workspace, where you can drag and drop the blocks from the left and arrange them to build your email template. Finally, the right column is dedicated to configuring the styles of the selected blocks in the center. Here, you can adjust properties like font size, color, margins, padding, and borders, ensuring each element looks just right. Now, let's talk about the block section of the email builder. The text block is your starting point for adding written content. It allows you to style your text with options like bold, italics, and lists. For those who are comfortable with HTML, there's an option to switch to HTML mode by clicking on the text attributes heading on the right. This feature lets you paste your own HTML code for more advanced customization, which is great for developers looking to implement unique design ideas. Next, we have the image block, which enables you to insert images into your emails. This helps make your content visually appealing. You can adjust the size and alignment of the images, and it's a good practice to include alt text for accessibility. You can also easily upload images from the Picky Assist media gallery. The button block is a crucial component for driving action. With this block, you can customize the text, color, and link to guide users to your desired destination, whether that's your website, a product page, or a sign-up form. It's an effective way to encourage engagement from your audience. Another useful feature is the social block, which allows you to link your social media accounts directly in the email. By default, this block includes options for Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and YouTube. You simply need to paste the URL of your social media profiles, and you can easily remove any channels you don't want to include. The spacer block is a simple yet vital tool for managing your email's layout. It adds space between different elements, helping create a clean and organized design. Similarly, the divider block lets you insert horizontal lines to separate sections within your email, enhancing readability and organization. For more impactful sections, the hero block is ideal. This block is designed for large images with overlay content. You can customize its height, padding, and background images, allowing you to create striking sections, perfect for newsletters or product announcements where attention to detail matters. Lastly, the wrapper block groups related content blocks, action blocks, and layout blocks together. You can adjust padding, background images, colors, and borders to ensure your email design is structured and visually appealing. Layouts. The layout options in our email builder are designed to help you create multiple columns within a single row, allowing for versatile and engaging designs. For instance, if you want to showcase a product with an image on the left and product details on the right, these layouts are perfect for that purpose. We offer 2-column, 3-column, and 4-column layouts to meet your design needs. Each layout is intuitive and easy to use, ensuring that you can arrange your content exactly how you envision it. One of the standout features of these layouts is their mobile responsiveness. When your email is viewed on a mobile device, the columns will automatically adjust to display in a single column format. This ensures that your content remains clear and visually appealing, providing an optimal reading experience regardless of the device used. Layers. Layers play a crucial role in helping you manage the various blocks within the email builder effectively. With the Layers feature, you can easily view and organize different blocks, allowing for seamless rearrangement and customization. In the Layers section, you can hide individual blocks to see how changes will affect your overall design without clutter. This makes it easy to focus on specific elements while you work. You also have the option to remove blocks, move them up or down in the stack, and even duplicate them for quick edits. This functionality is particularly beneficial when dealing with numerous blocks, enabling you to make changes efficiently and maintain a clean, organized layout. That wraps up our overview of the email builder. Using the various blocks, I've created a dynamic daily activity email that captures essential data from our organization. To ensure this email template is truly dynamic, we need to incorporate specific elements that will update daily with the relevant data. For instance, we'll set up dynamic fields for the total number of calls made, the count of leads generated, the tasks completed, and the pending tasks. Additionally, we'll include a visual representation of the lead sources through a split image. Moreover, to provide a clear overview of each user's activity for the day, we'll make this information in the table dynamically. Making the email template dynamic is quite simple. To do this, you just need to replace the static values you want to make dynamic with placeholders enclosed in curly brackets. For example, if you want to make the daily lead report value dynamic, you would replace the value new lead with current stage inside the curly brackets. That's it. Now this value is marked as dynamic. Whenever you use this email template, the system will allow you to map the necessary values to these attributes. You can follow the same process for other attributes as well. It's really straightforward, isn't it? Now that you've made all the other stats dynamic, you might be wondering how to handle the user activity table. Would you need to create different attributes for each user stat? And what happens if you need to add another user? It could become quite difficult, right? That's where one of the unique features of our email builder sets us apart from others: the loop block. With the loop block, you only need to create one row of the table, and the block will automatically loop through all the users to make the template dynamic. To use the loop block, you first need to configure it in the connector or flow builder to gather the necessary sample data for mapping. In this case, I'm using the generate report action to retrieve users' daily activity data. After that, simply drop the loop block into your email template and apply any necessary styling. You'll need to set the loop limit, which defines how many times the block will repeat. If you want to capture activity for all employees, you can leave this field blank. It's also essential to name the loop block to easily identify the attribute when passing data. Next, specify where you will use this loop. In this case, I'm selecting the connector and choosing the configuration we set up earlier, along with the sample data that contains user activity information. Once you've selected the configuration, drop a single row inside the loop block. Now you can click the attribute icon in the top right corner to view all the necessary data needed to make your table dynamic. Map the data accordingly. One important thing to remember: if you select the type as connector and intend to send this in a workflow, you can do so without any issues. Just ensure that the correct data is being passed to the email. Now that you've created an awesome template and mapped it dynamically, you're ready to send it to the manager, right? You can easily do this using the send email action within the connector, chatbot, workflow, or funnels. To get started, select the send email action in the connector. Next, let's configure the details. Choose your connected email service. This could be Amazon Email, SMTP, or another provider of your choice. Then fill in the necessary fields. Map your from address, set the sender name, and add any CCs and BCCs using the available attributes. Don't forget to fill in your subject line and pre-header text. Now select your email template, which we've named Daily Lead Report. You'll see all the dynamic attributes you created in the template are available for mapping. Simply map the necessary values to these attributes. The loop attribute will also be visible. Just click the button to map the user's activity data. Once you've saved the connector, ensure it's set to run every day at 6 p.m. to send the email to the managers. For those interested in learning how to set up periodic actions, we have a detailed video that covers the connector and its automation possibilities. Now let's consider you're a creator wanting to send weekly newsletters to your users, but you don't want them to feel spammed. To address this, you need to provide an option for users to opt out of receiving your newsletters. This is where our unsubscribe block comes in. To add this feature, simply drop the unsubscribe block into your email template in the builder. That's all it takes. When you select the template in the send email action, you'll be prompted to choose the opt-out list you want to add customers to. For this example, I'll create a marketing opt-out list. Whenever a customer clicks the unsubscribe button in your email, their email will be automatically added to this opt-out list. This means that in the following week, when you send out your newsletters, those emails will not be sent to anyone who has opted out, ensuring that your users don't feel overwhelmed or spammed. This feature not only helps maintain a good relationship with your audience, but also keeps your mailing list clean and engaged. There will be a detailed video available on managing your opt-out list and efficiently handling your campaigns without overwhelming your audience. We encourage you to watch it for a comprehensive understanding of how to maintain a healthy email communication strategy. So that's it on how to send emails effectively with our Picky Assist email builder. Now I will show how awesome Picky Assist features merge themselves to solve different use cases. The email template we created to send daily activity to the manager can be used in the mini apps also. For example, if a manager wants to analyze a lead status in the same format as our email templates, we can streamline the process by creating a mini app and configuring a connector. By mapping the email template with the necessary lead attributes, the mini app can generate and deliver the required insights effortlessly. That's it. It will work properly without a single change in the email template. It's great, right? So that's a wrap on the email builder. This isn't just another tool for creating beautiful templates. It's a powerful solution designed to meet a wide array of business needs. With the ability to craft personalized, dynamic content, you can truly engage your audience and drive results. But the magic doesn't stop there. This tool goes beyond email, enabling you to visualize your data in stunning layouts that captivate and inform. Thank you for joining us today. We hope you're as excited as we are about the endless possibilities that the email builder offers. Get ready to transform your communication and elevate your business to new heights.